Hello there, everyone. Welcome to YouTude. So you may have come here from James Hilditch's channel, and this is my channel where I go over every tip and trick in YouTube. So the first thing we're going to do today is using YouTube as cloud storage. Now, you might think that's rubbish. How could you do that? But we're going to go through how to make photos on the cloud storage and videos on the cloud storage. So let's get into this. So first step is on your computer, go to YouTube and just click your little icon up in the corner here, and then you'll see all these options. You just need to go to the YouTube Studio option right here. So once you're in YouTube Studio, which will take a second, all that you need to do here is, I'm just going to click off that, is press this little create button up here. So then press upload videos. So then you're going to press this little icon here, and this will bring you to something like this. I'm just going to take this over here. Anyway, insert the video, so just double click the video here, and then the title doesn't really matter. You can call this whatever you want. Description, don't do anything. And then there'll be a thumbnail bit, just ignore that, and just press no on this one right here. The next thing you can do is just press this video elements, that's fine, and press visibility, press this unlisted option, okay? And you can also do private. I would do private unless you want to share these with other people, but you can also just choose who watches it as well. So anyway, once it's 100% processed here, they go for finish processing, press save, and then if you press this videos icon here, what you'll see is it's right here. Now if we just click this little view on YouTube button, this will give you on YouTube the full video that you can watch here. So mine's 57 seconds long. I won't watch it, but right here is the clouds. There you go, and it's safe on YouTube. And keep in mind, YouTube, you have unlimited storage, so you can have as many videos and photos on here as you want. So the next thing you can do is you can just hit this little options button and then press download. And what this will allow you to do is it'll give you a little download that you can use. Sorry, I'm not sure what's going on here. Anyway, yeah, you can download them. I think I'd press delete instead, but don't press delete forever. Press download right here. So then you'll have a copy on your device again. So that's how you upload videos. Next, I'm going to show you how to upload photos, and we're even going to do this on your mobile phone. So you know, this is pretty cool. We'll transport them from your mobile phone to computer, but you can do them all from your mobile phone. But you know, that's quite obvious how to do it. You just upload them onto your the YouTube app on your phone. So I'm just gonna delete this because I uploaded that to the channel. Anyway, I will now see you on mobile. Okay, so we're on our mobile phones now, and I'm using an iPhone. You can use an Android. I'm just saying before this starts, this is a voiceover because the microphone on phone is not as good as computer. Anyway, so you want to go to iMovie and then create a new movie. Then select the photo that you want to have on YouTube. So if you're on Android, I believe you can use a video editor on there on the Play Store or whatever. I'm just going to use iMovie. Tap the video, then press Ken Burns enabled and make them disabled. This is going to be very brief because iMovie will be in a different video, but just zoom out if you want. There we go. And there you go. Once it's good, you can tap on it again. The little timeline. Obviously, just watch some other tutorials if you don't get this. So as you can see, that's quite long actually. That's 6 seconds long. So what you want to do is you just want to go and shrink this like that, and there we go. Then you're just going to press the little share icon in the bottom, and then just press this save video button right there. Then just select HD 1080p. You can do 4K if you want, but 4K is just a bigger file, so I'm not going to do it. Anyway, just press OK once this comes up. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a website to get it on our computer. So go into Safari, and then we're just going to add a new tab and type in wetransfer.com. Okay, so then you're going to press this OK button. Then send a file, and the little add, then photo library, then all photos, and you'll get this little 002 next to the video, and you want that one right there. Okay, and then on here, as you can see, mine's almost a megabyte, not that much. Press next, press get a link, press transfer. Okay, link's best. You can email it to yourself if you want, but links is what I'm going to use. So, okay, so I've just entered the link that was on my phone on WeTransfer, and it's brought me to this page. So just press I agree. And then just press this little download button, or this little button right here. Then this will download the file to your computer. Now, the next thing you want to do is right onto YouTube, just press upload videos. Now, we will make this into a photo that you can download in a second. Then just get this one here. And then right here. Title. Don't do anything there, obviously. It's fine. I'm just going to hit no and press next. Then just press next. And just press private. And then it's in HD, so it needs to process the HD version. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, so it took about 5 seconds after I stopped the recording then to finish processing. But now we just press the little save button. Unless there's anything else. Nope. Save. And then it will be here. Now, when we download this, it's just going to be a video. So, you're just going to see the video. Now, what you want to do to make this into a photo, I'll show you the video now in VLC. There you go. It's just a little video there. But what you want to do to make this a photo is pause at a certain point, so just like 1 second or whatever, and then up here you'll see all these options. So you just need to go and press this little video button, and then just press this take snapshot. This will save somewhere on your computer, and I'll show you where that is now. So you just go into the File Explorer. By the way, VLC is completely free to download, and I'll leave a description, a link in the description, not a description in the link. Anyway, go down to the Pictures button here, and it will be saved somewhere near the bottom because it's a VLC snap here. And I'm just going to open that up. And then just like that, as you can see, it is my photo. So guys, hope this helped, and if it did, make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, and if you think this channel is a good idea, then do leave a subscribe. And I'll carry on, and yeah, I hope you think these are good, and I hope these can help you. And yeah, I'll carry on doing some little YouTube tutorials if you want. Goodbye. Oh, and also, just before I stop the recording, make sure to comment down below any video ideas you have for me. So guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.